Today's idiom is early bird. Yes. So what is the meaning of early bird? Early bird means people who wakes up early, arrives early, or acts very fast. Right? Acts before the time, I can say. So how can we frame sentence with this phrase early bird? So I can say like Mona is an early bird. She always arrives office before time. Or Rahul is an early bird. He always finishes all his tasks before time. Right? So early bird refers to people who always acts before time, arrives before time, or wakes up early. And it's always good to be early bird. Yes. So our today's idiom which we learned is early bird.